Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what time of the year it is? Yep, it's Nykaa's pink sale time and I can't wait to show you what I got. First things first, let's talk about the unboxing. Look at this gorgeous packaging and like it always feels like I'm opening a treasure box and Nykaa's packaging is perfect. I just got my hands on some skincare products that I have been eyeing for a while. Let me show you what I picked up. First up, the Minimalist Vitamin B5 Moisturizer. This lightweight moisturizer is packed with vitamin B5, which is amazing for hydration and repairing the skin barrier. It's also got copper, zinc, magnesium to give your skin that extra boost of nourishment. Next, I bought this 2% salicylic acid cleanser again from Minimalist. This one's been on my wishlist for a while. It is designed to gently exfoliate, unclog pores, and prevent acne, and it's also sulfate free. Though it's packed with active, it won't strip your skin off, so it is beginner friendly. Minimalist had this amazing offer during the sale. If you buy any two products, you'll get a free brightening kit. Of course, I couldn't pass that up, so along with the moisturizer and cleanser, I got this bonus kit absolutely free. Such a great deal, right? So first we have got this alpha lipoic plus glycolic cleanser. This is a gentle exfoliator. Next we have the vitamin C serum. This is one of Minimalist's best sellers and for a good reason. It is formulated with ethyl absorbic acid, a staple from vitamin C, which helps brightening your skin, reduce dark spots, and boost collagen production. It is the ultimate glow booster. I was pleasantly surprised to see that all the free products in the Minimalist Brightening Kit are freshly packed and not old or close to expiry items. Sometimes brands tend to clear out old stocks with offers, but Minimalist didn't do that here. And finally, we have the liquid SPF 50 sunscreen. This sunscreen is lightweight, non-greasy, and leaves no white cast. Next, I bought the Dermaco's 10% vitamin C serum along with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, which makes it perfect for brightening, fading dark spots, and keeping your skin hydrated. It is beginner friendly. I actually don't know that I would be getting a vitamin C serum in the brightening kit. Now I have got two vitamin C serums. Honestly, I'm not mad about having two vitamin C serums. Vitamin C is such a versatile ingredient. It fights dullness, reduces pigmentation, and boosts collagens. I came across this Lakme Perfect Radiance Cream. It is perfect for regular use, especially when you're not in the mood for heavy makeup. Look at this sleek packaging. It's compact, travel friendly, and so easy to use. The texture is amazing, it's super lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. It doesn't leave any greasiness and gives this beautiful soft glow. It's an instant pick me up for dull skin. It's more like the Glow and Lovely cream, but the better version of it. Now let's talk about the best part, the savings. I snagged this product at an amazing discount during the Nykaa Pink sale, which made it all even sweeter. If you're new to Nykaa, you will get 20% discount on your first order and 10% discount on your second order. But that's not all. You can play these games and win many coupons. Like I got one from Nykaa and Minimalist. There are tons of offers going on right now on the occasion of Pink sale. So make full use of it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.